This is my plane project, and in this we basically have a series of events, each of which do their own thing, with W and S allowing the plane to tilt up and down, D and S allowing it to turn, P and O allowing it to rotate, and spacebar allowing it to flip. We also have L and C. L, which allows the person to jump out of the plane and land safely, and C, which allows it to switch into first person camera if you desire to. And here is the project. So this is S, and that's W. This is D, turning right. This is A, turning left. This is P, rotating to the right. This is O, rotating to the left. And then we have space, which is doing a flip. And then we have L, which has the person hop out and float to the ground. I'll speed this part up because it's pretty long. And then I'll restart it just that you can see that the first person camera doesn't seem to work. But anyways, we have the turning, the rotation, the flip, and the landing, which I will speed up again. And that is it.